welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Sio's Lifestyle. My name is Sionela Magula and you're welcome to call me Sio for short. Welcome back to a brand new vlog. Today is a Friday, the 7th of February 2025. I am on my birthday leave today. My birthday was on Monday, so I couldn't be off because I was busy with month end. But today I managed to take off because at least the month end has sort of like should I say, been wrapped up. So I will be vlogging today. Whatever I get up to, I'm gonna try take you guys with me where I can. Whatever I do, maybe I might continue this vlog tomorrow. We're just gonna see how it goes. So as my birthday was on Monday and I was busy with month end, we didn't really do much. On Monday we bought cake, had some takeout, but we couldn't eat out or anything. But we just got some food, takeout and cake. And yeah, because I was home, I was working from home all the way, into the evening. So today is a chance for us maybe to do something, or maybe even tomorrow. So whatever we do, I'm going to take you guys with us, so I'm going to vlog that. We might go out maybe for dinner this afternoon or evening. Yeah, we'll see where we're gonna go. And then also I think we might we're thinking of doing something, an activity. I was thinking maybe going up on Table Mountain or a boat cruise, but we'll just see. So one of those two we probably will do. We'll just see. But whatever we do, we'll take you guys with us. So please do stick along, and I hope you're gonna like this vlog. Please do drop a comment. Please share the vlog if you can, and please subscribe if you have not yet subscribed. I think you might like it, yeah. So now we're gonna run a few errands. So yeah, I'm probably gonna vlog that, and I'll keep you guys updated as the vlog progresses. So let's get right into this vlog. So guys, we are at Waterfront. We are here. We just parked. We are underground. We're here to find out how much is the boat cruise. When I went on the boat cruise, I think it was 2020. Which year was it, babe? It was 2023. It was 2023, guys. I think it was like 200 and something, because I went on with Esihle and my mom. Esihle is my daughter. I went with Essie and my mom. So now I'm here with David. We're hoping we can find like one that we can go on this time. So yeah.
It was a great tour. We do have a tip box on the way out that get tip the crew. Other than that, guys, thank you very much, guys, for support. Have a safe journey back to your places.
Hi guys, so we just finished. I just took off the hat. We just finished the what do you call it, the boat cruise or the boat ride. So we just decided to do a boat ride, and it was for 1 hour. It's 300 per person. So yeah, so that was really nice. It was so interesting, guys. I mean, the last time I came here, like I think 2 years back, it was 2 years back, yes. Yeah, 2 years back, because I came in my mom's birthday in 2023. It was a different boat that we went on. But then this time now I went on another one, and I think that one, the ride was like 30 minutes. But this one was an hour, and it was very nice. The breeze is so nice in the water. You know, it's cool. At some point it was even a bit cold because, you know, you're right in the middle of the ocean. But it was really, really nice. It was a wonderful experience. You enjoyed it?
Yeah, I enjoyed it. 100%.
What would you give that boat ride out of 10?
It was my first time, so I'll give it 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10?
Yeah, 10
so,
out of 10, yeah.
Yeah, so that was a really nice experience. So now we're done. We are gonna go to, because the ride was at 12:30 until 1:30. So now the time is it's almost 2 o'clock, I think, if not yet 2.
2 o'clock, exactly.
So it's 2 o'clock now. So we are heading to my daughter's school. We're gonna go pick her up, and then from there I'll keep you guys updated what else we're gonna be doing. But I think, like I said, I mentioned earlier that we're probably gonna go and just eat somewhere. We're probably gonna go and eat somewhere after we pick Essie up. Yeah, but I'll take you guys with us. I hope you're still liking this vlog. Please do drop a lovely comment. Please share the vlog if you think someone might be interested in this vlog. Yeah, thank you guys. So guys, it's still the same day in the afternoon. I think it's afternoon. Yeah, it's afternoon, not evening, because 5:30. So got home from the boat cruise. We went to pick up my daughter Essie at school, and then we picked her up, dropped her home. Then she was just refreshing, and then we were running a couple of errands today. I mean, I didn't vlog all of that. The only thing that I vlogged was like the boat cruise as well, just to keep some memories. So now we are going to head out, should I say, for supper. I think we're heading out for supper. So we just quickly bath and just refresh because it's so hot. It is so hot. You know, we just had to just bath and just refresh before we head out. So now I'm all changed. That's why I'm changed. Just wearing my black dress. It's just a black dress and this I don't know what you call these, but it's going all the way down my black dress. And this, I saw this today as we were running errands at one of the stores. I saw this today, guys, and I really like this, and I'm glad I got it. I actually got 2 of these covers. I really like it because I'm someone who likes to wear something with arms. Like, I like to put on something with arms most of the time, but I mean, sometimes, yeah, I do just show off my arms. So this is the other one, and this was like only 60 rand at the shop I bought it from, and it's like such an amazing quality and a beautiful texture. And then I got this one as well. This is a black color, so you can see what it's like. Same thing. These are the sleeves, and I just made sure that it's a bit oversized. These are the sleeves, as well as, yeah, these are the sleeves, and then it's like see-through. So I decided to get it in black, and I really like it. And then I got it in this beige color, so that's what I have on with my black dress. So we're gonna go out now, but we might actually go past Truworths. You guys, you'll see if we do go past them. Actually, we have to. So we're gonna go past Truworths. I might vlog that, or else you guys will catch us when we are having dinner. I did say, I think we're just gonna go to RocoMamas because, yeah, RocoMamas today. So let's go catch up with you guys later on. So guys, I'm back home. As you saw, we went to RocoMamas for dinner. Before that, I went to Truworths. I went looking for the heel that you guys saw me try on. A good friend of mine sent me some moolah to go and get this hill. It was one of my birthday gifts, so I only got time to get the hill today. So yeah, I just want to show you guys the hill once more in case you did not see it. It's so nice. I love high heels, or yeah, should I say heels. This is the heel, guys. This is so beautiful. So these shoes, I'm not gonna lie, they are so comfortable. They are high, but this kind of high for me is normal, if I can say, because some of my heels are like this as well. Yeah, I love it, love it, love it. I'm obsessed, and yeah, it's beautiful. So yeah, that's what I went to get, and dinner was so good. The service was amazing. RocoMamas is so affordable. So I just want to say thank you so much, guys. If you have watched up until this far, I really appreciate the love and support. And thank you even to everyone who wished me a happy birthday in my other video that I uploaded. I think I'm gonna end this vlog right here. I really appreciate the love and support. And please don't forget to drop a beautiful comment in the comment section. I will try and respond as soon as I can. Bye, guys.